Today I'm sharing for the Mother's Day flower arrangement. I'm using for the flower from the market and container is my home. I brought this flower from Trader Joe and I am picking up the several different color. So I chose first of all yellow and red and some pink, but if you can put some white, then we can going to be engagement really nice. I have an inspiration for the Mother's Day tea party, so I'm choosing for my house the teapot and a cup and saucer and some ice cream container. So any kind of the container you have, that's fine. And I'm using only this. First of all, I try to be decided about the height of the flower. So now a little too high, so I have to be cut certain size. Still long, so still long, exactly height of this teapot mouse. So this is good height. Okay, I cut in 2 more stem and I'm going to continue to another flower. Now I'm cutting for the chamomile because I put in a little spot, the little empty spot that is kind of nice for the edges. So I'm cutting a little short like this and then putting it together. Like this. Oh, it's so cute already. Now I'm cutting for the tulips, and tulips going to a little higher than putting a before 2 flower. So measurement like this. I just put in like that, and then measurement a little high up, and put in between your yellow rose and then chamomile. So I have another one, maybe good for the the leaf is going to be take off. And one is your right side, and then one of the other side. So we're starting to kind of equalize to putting the tulips. So maybe the size is kind of one's longer and going to be a little shorter, and this is a little bigger than this tulip. So then I'm going to be more lower and thinner like that. So that is a good tip to not everything same height. Last, I put in some green. This is the silver dollar eucalyptus, and this is the stock. So white color I choose. Okay, this is a little different texture. So then I put in between yellow rose like that. White color ties everything together. So green put in the lower side. I'm choosing for the 2 teapot today. So I made a 1 teapot already. So next teapot, I'm very similar to doing that. So starting to yellow rose and then chamomile, and I'm now doing for the big holes here. So I put in some big stalk and I put in a little camouflage because this is a very nice big flower. Put in red tulips in between yellow. The last tulips I put in here is a little longer than other tulips because I put in this as a teapot is a little longer, one tulips. So I'm putting a kind of similar idea to put in like that, a little longer. I'm finished for the 2 teapot. I'm moving to the small container. So small container I'm using for this chamomile first, and then I just do divide it and then try to be same height. So this chamomile I cut in a little short, but I try to be height, so still a little longer. So I'm cutting a little bit more. So then I split it out. So this is going to kind of oasis. I put in like this. I put in yellow rose. And like this. Now I'm putting a pink carnation because this is very soft color. Carnation, sometimes you can open up and you can make the size bigger like this. Very soft, and I put in open. I'm doing for the same as the teacup too. The 3 roses like triangle is maybe nice. I'm going to pink carnation. I kind of put in a hole you can see the hole a little bit. That is you can put in something add. And then someone is the little longer like this, so that be more good texture. I put in a stock leftover is this big hole. So that's kind of nice to help. Now my arrangement is done, so I'm going to set up. I like that this 2 teapot is a little bit more center, so I'm moving for the teacup for the side. Now that, I think so cute. For this centerpiece for the Mother's Day. You can do this so easy.